What's up, guys? It's me back again with a solubility product problem about precipitates. So this one, it's saying that given the KSP value for Li3PO4 is this number, the concentration of Li plus solution is this, and the concentration of the phosphate must exceed something to generate a precipitate. So first, I'll do a really quick way for people who mostly understand it, and then I'll do a more explanation way. So first, I'll do that 5.9 equals this mass action equation. Don't forget the power because there's because of the coefficient. And then you know that this is 6.2. So, and if you put it into the calculator, let's solve for that. It would be 2.47. This is, and so only these two are sig figs. So the answer would be 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4. Why is this not erasing? Okay, anyways. The answer is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4. And I'll show you the more detailed way if you don't understand how to do it. So first, you can write out the mass action expression. You always, whenever you have something and you don't know what to do, you should write out the mass action expression so you know what the heck's going on. And also you should write out the equation of what's happening. Actually, let me write that first so you know what's going on. So this salt, lithium phosphate, is dissociating into 3 Li plus ions and 1 phosphate ion, like this. And this is a solid, and both of these are aqueous. And so in your mass action expression, you only include aqueous or gas, not solids. So you would do something like this, and because of this coefficient here, you would have that here, and multiplied by the concentration of PO4, it's like this. And what's given to you, you're given the concentration of Li plus. So I'll just plug that in. And now the only thing you don't know in this equation right here is the phosphate concentration. And if you solve for the phosphate concentration, you would get 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4. But what does this mean for us? And so what this means is that if you have a concentration of Li that's 6.2 times 10 to the negative 5th, then if you had a concentration, also had a concentration of this, of the phosphate, then the precipitate would start to get created. So if you added slightly more than this, then a tiny bit of precipitate would be created. So this is like the minimum required amount to start creating a precipitate. And why is that? Because if you put that into the reaction quotient, then right now the reaction quotient equals KSP. But if you increase this, then the reaction quotient, and multiply these two numbers together, they would become greater than KSP. So the reaction would shift to the left. Because if Q is here and KSP is here, Q wants to go to KSP. So it's just a shift to the left, more solid will be created. It's Le Chatelier's principle. But instead of this, if you had like less of this, then Q would multiply out. You multiply these two numbers, and it would be less than KSP. And so the reaction would shift to the right. Okay. And so that means more of this would be created. And that means the salt will dissociate more. And so, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully my explanation was good. And also here is the official answer, which is the same as my answer, of course. That would be weird if it wasn't. And it's molarity. Okay. Thanks for watching.